In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your personal Microsoft Loop workspace. Now, whether you're gearing up to streamline personal projects or optimize collaboration within your team, Loop offers an innovative approach tailored just for that. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to loop.microsoft.com. Once there, sign in using either your personal account or your work or school credentials. This step is essential because it's going to anchor you into the Loop ecosystem, serving as your gateway to a more organized digital environment. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the Loop Hub. Think of this as your central command center where all your workspace elements converge. It's where you can access everything you're working on, so get comfortable navigating around here. Familiarizing yourself with the layout will make your setup smoother. Now, to kick off your new Loop experience, locate the plus button, sometimes labeled as Create New. This is your cue to start a new project or workspace. Clicking on it opens the door to endless possibilities that Loop has to offer. Next comes a fun bit, naming your workspace. Be creative and think of something that resonates with the purpose of your new digital space. For instance, you might opt for something straightforward like My Personal Loop. You're also given the chance to add a bit of personality here. Consider adding an emoji or an icon that might visually represent your workspace theme. This little personal touch can create a more engaging and visually distinctive workspace. Following this, Microsoft Loop gives you a chance to personalize even further by adding an image to the cover or banner of your workspace. This can help set the tone for how you feel every time you enter the workspace. Remember, aesthetics play a role in motivation. For those who prefer a jumpstart or just appreciate a little guiding structure, you can choose from various templates provided by Microsoft Create. These templates offer a pre-designed structure, which can save time and give you a framework to build on. Selecting a template can be particularly advantageous when you're not sure where to start or if you aim to see how Microsoft envisions optimized workflow structures. Once you're satisfied with your choices, the final step is simple. By clicking Create Workspace, you lock in all your customizations and bring your new Loop workspace to life. And just like that, your setup process is complete. Setting up your workspace in Microsoft Loop not only provides organizational benefits, but enhances productivity by bringing all essential tools and information into a centralized digital hub. I hope you find your new workspace intuitive and helpful. Feel free to tweak and customize as you grow more comfortable. Thanks for joining me today, and happy looping.